Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to file your prior year taxes in Turbotax. So step 1 would be go to the Turbotax website and then download the right year. So scroll down and select the tax year you need, so for example 2022 or 2021. And then install the Turbotax software, download and install the version for that year on your computer. Then start a new return, open the software and then click on start a new return. Now from here, enter in your info, fill out your personal income and deduction details. So all you need to do from there is just review and finalize, use the review tool to check for errors, and then from there, all you need to do is print and mail. So prior year returns must be mailed. Print, sign, and send it to the IRS. So from that, you're done. You have now successfully filed your prior year taxes in TurboTax. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.